Valentine Day, everyone. This morning we are taking a look at price action, and we know extremely well that market oversold. That when it comes to price action, we're at key Fibonacci support. Market sold off from here, identified weeks in advance. Bullish trend inception February 7th, February 8th, end of January, not now. This is where market crashed from as expected. And at this moment, trader who loves the markets, not shorting near. Take a look. If I convert the chart to 1 minute, what do you see? It is key support, identified weeks in advance, cannot short. No surprise. You understand price action. You love the markets. You enjoying this. You understand extremely well, not the place to short. You understand extremely well it's a bait, it's not a trade. Market will test you to the core. Market in pain. We've been here since the open. Trader who loves the markets enjoys this game, not touching this bait. It's bullish correction only, no matter what chart you trade. And if I convert this chart to 5, exact same formula would remain. Do not touch a bait. Monitor for a trade. Agree? It's bullish correction only. And if market frozen in bullish correction, knowledgeable trader not touching this. This is exact same thing Exxon had done the entire 2018 until it finally crashed through and staged bullish rally. No surprise. All identified months in advance. Take a look. This is what Chevron looked like the entire 2018, sitting at crucial Fibonacci support. We knew extremely well this is not the place to short. It's a brick wall. However, we also knew extremely well that major trend in bearish, that's 104, is next. Identical strategy in front of you right now on S&P. Market simply in pain, no matter what chart you trade. And if buyers step in with vengeance, it's a beautiful thing. And if not, cannot touch this. This is exact same thing that's playing out right now on Amazon, where buyers stepped in from end of minor trend. The only problem remains end of minor trend to the upside. Amazon in brutal pain, week number 7. Both trends are minor, trends are weak. Identical strategy as you see in front of you on S&P this morning. Knowledgeable trader not shorting into this. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well. More powerful bullish pullback, better off short will be. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well short in this area has success rate of less than 20%. Agree? And if I take a look on Euro, do you remember what Euro looked like at 1? Euro set at this level for 2 years. What did Euro do from this level? Skyrocketed until here. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. 125.60 from key support. Do not short. Identical strategy on S&P this morning. Except there is no rally, nothing but pain. And if I convert this chart to 15, to 10, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, identical support will remain. Buyers are worthless. It's a bait. It's not a trade. Trader who loves the markets enjoying this game. This is a test. This is a bait. And if the next few hours price will crash to this, it will not be surprise, but more powerful bullish pullback, better off your short will be. This is a place to short from. As you saw in the trading room yesterday morning, flawless. Not to buy, to exit your long. Where's a beautiful place to buy? Trend inception. February 8th. Key support February 11th. Then comes pain. Trend inception and support. And if I take a look on oil right now, do you remember this chart? Trend inception early January, no matter how bearish the news is. And oil crashing completely, no matter how bullish the news is. And as expected, oil crashing from Fibonacci reversal zone, identified weeks in advance. Agree? It's all the same, no matter what you trade. Once you master the price, you want to trade them all. S&P 123, oil 15, euro monthly, Amazon weekly. Why not? Choice is yours. Price action remains the same. Risk management is the only difference. Do you want to hold your trade 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months? Why not? It's all the same. 708, I recognized very, very clearly that market preset by Fibonacci levels. And if you love this game, you do not touch a bait. What an open. Every single day is a test. Market in pain. But this is exact same place where Apple was on 2015, 2016 at 93. Do you remember that? When Apple was in pain, came out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Exact same place where S&P is now. What did Apple do? Doubled in value. No surprise. Do you want to buy on earnings? You would be shorting Apple at 91, 93 area, not buying Apple. And do you see reversal zone ahead of you? Of course. Did Apple reach that level? Yes. Many, many months later. And it's a good, good day and good, good Valentine Day as I'm reading Brad's post. My children are now happy. That's the reason I live and breathe what I do. Because if you love this game, every single day is a Valentine Day. Because only Fibonacci can do this. Nothing else. And if S&P will rally this morning, just like Apple had done, just like Euro had done, knowledgeable trader will take a trade. Knowledgeable trader will not touch a bait. Every day is a test. And if you know price action, you will succeed no matter what you trade. Thank you, Wolfram. Means the world. Thank you, Brad. Thank you, Ken. You make my everyday Valentine Day. Market remains in pain. So if you love what you do, the sky's the limit. 5 years ago, I read a very interesting book written by a gerontologist who was interviewing people who are leaving this world. He asked them, what is the most important thing in life? They said, love what you do, because if you love what you do, you make incredible partner, father, friend, sibling. You are happy every single day. If you love the markets, don't shop, don't chase. Do what Tom Brady did before he won Super Bowl. He sweated, he worked, he made an effort. He did not touch bluff ball. He did not touch a bait. We've been watching this bait for the last 25 minutes. Market in pain. And if I convert this chart to 5, the exact same formula remains. What a pain. And if the entire day market sitting in pain, knowledgeable trader not touching this. Sell-off taking a pause. This is broker's heaven. This is nothing you want to trade. Short as high as possible. Yesterday was flawless day. Not this morning yet. It's endless baits. Bread is in. Here we go. And if you would meet Brad, as I just done in New York, you will be amazed. Tom Brady of trading. Brad works on his mind and trading every single day. Mindset, 80% of what you do. Brad knows that. Brad is not touching this bait. So look at that, my goodness, we've been stuck here for the last 35 minutes. We knew extremely well this is not the place to short. Fibonacci support identified days in advance showing you. Not the place to short, the place to monitor for bullish reversal. No surprise, market is rallying. So if you chose to take a trade, if you're a knowledgeable trader, what do you do now? You're taking profits off the table and you're moving your stop outside of break even. Market moving incredibly fast, just like you saw price had done on Apple, just like you saw price had done on Euro, on Amazon. Time and time again, it is all identical price action. It's all identical strategy. When it comes to long-term Fibonacci levels, key support, do not short. Clear on that? No surprise. What the price is doing now. Price is collapsing completely is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Agree? So here we go, traders. Everyone clear? This video had been recorded since market open. Our bias had been firmly bullish. We stayed out through a whole lot of junk, through a whole lot of baits. Adjust your trail even closer. We agree? Do not touch baits. Produce quality in your trading. Yes? And that's what your success depends on. Separating baits from powerful trades. Reversal zone where we're expecting powerful bearish pullback. And when that will play out, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. This is where trader adjusts his trail even closer. Boom. No surprise. Drastically different market this morning than yesterday, which again was recorded on video. The place to short from here, the place to buy from here, just like every single instrument you saw. The place to exit here. Shock or not. And if price collapsing completely, it's such a beautiful, beautiful thing. Knowledgeable trader knows. Because that's what price does every time, no matter what you trade. Very predictable, very powerful reminder. If you know price action and Fibonacci, every single day is a Valentine day. No surprise. Crash and burn S&P pretty please, because this is the reason I named this level reversal zone. Shock or not, it never gets sold, I promise. Only Fibonacci can give you this much accuracy. And if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. It never gets sold, I promise. That's the reason hedge fund managers in the course now. They don't trade S&P 1 minute. They don't trade S&P 2 minute. They trade long-term stocks, ETFs, options. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. But when you will master this, every day will be Valentine Day, as my students will tell you. They don't have sweaty palms, they don't have heart palpitations. They know extremely well what to do. What a morning. What a Valentine Day. Shock or not. Boom! Happy Valentine Day, everybody! Did we expect this? Of course! It's Fibonacci reversal zone, my goodness! Crash and burn S&P. Shock or not the place to buy, the place to exit. Happy February 14th, everyone. If you love the markets, you came to the right place. Agree? What a morning. What a day. So, as our incredible movie maker in the course, talking about making movie, let's do that. We are on. Yes, Brad? Yes, Ken? Yes, George? Yes, traders? Where are the buyers coming from again and again and again? Shock or not? Key Fibonacci support, do not short. It never gets sold, I promise. A little sound effect never gets sold. Boom. Just like Apple had done. Poor, poor Apple. It's all the same. If you know where to buy, if you know where to enter, if you know where to exit, it will never ever get old. Every single day your trading will become only better. And if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. All you have to do, decide what you want to trade. And if buyers come again and again, there is no surprise, because this key support is present. all identified weeks in advance, all in a play, may remain for days, as knowledgeable trader knows, not the place to short into, the place to monitor for bullish push. Again and again and again. What a dance! What a stunning, flawless Valentine Day! So if you would like to join us in Mastery course, you can start viewing prior class videos the moment you sign up. Group course 12 weeks, private mentoring 6 months, includes all group classes. If you are considering signing up for private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first. If you're signing up for group course, simply sign up online. 12 weeks include all trading room access, all videos, pre-market analysis, classes. Sam, my dearest friend for life, in Beirut, trading options. I will be speaking with him today after trading room close. For Sam, every day is Valentine Day. Because Sam knows what price action tells him. So pretty please review the information on the website, listen to students, and do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again and again and again, price action very predictable. And if you know what you do, every day is Valentine Day.